What's going on, buddy? Celiaca here, and this is the 911 call and CAD report of the North Palm Beach incident where the guy charged his friggin' rifle to intimidate me or whatnot. But anyway, this is the CAD report. The CAD report is going to play over the 911 call, so you'll be able to read what's going on in the CAD report, or read the CAD report while the 911 call is going. And I actually walk past the person that actually called 911. But anyway, let's get into it. I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget, hit that like, share, and that subscribe button, all that good stuff. And Soliaker, deuces. Excuse me, bud. Hey, do you know where the pier is? Do you know where the pier is, the fishing pier? I thought there was one that was like around here.
No, this is only
Like a boat ramp?
yeah. Here is
Well, no, like a little dock or something.
little dock. Okay.
Yeah.
Got you.
Is the dock that way?
It's that way.
Yeah, okay,
There's a
perfect.
couple of- they're not really dock, but they just kind of
Like little fishing areas. Yeah, so it's that way.
Yeah.
Perfect. Thanks, man. Appreciate it.
no problem.
No, babe.
911.
Yes, I'm calling from North Palm Beach, and I'm calling because there is a guy walking in Anchorage Park with a flag and a load. I don't know if it's a loaded, but he has a rifle with him.
You sure it's a rifle, ma'am?
I'm sure.
Okay.
He asked for directions to where the pier was, and there's no pier. There's no pier right here. Yeah, it's a big flag.
Where
He's
is he
carrying
in-
a big
where is
flag.
he in
Do
the
not
park?
tread. And he is towards the water. We just got our boat launched, and he is walking through the park to the south. I don't know what his deal is, but it was just awkward. It was weird. It's not normal. Yeah,
Yeah, it might not be normal, but we're trying to normalize it.
weird. It's not normal. Yeah.
Okay. And that's Anchorage Park Marina or Anchorage?
Yes, Anchorage Park Marina, right there. Yep, right through the
Okay.
park. To the south. He's walking through the park right now.
Okay, and he was just right near the boat launch area?
Yes. Yep.
Okay. And do you remember what color clothes he was wearing?
Oh, I have no idea. He had white sandals on and a flag that says "Do not tread." So it had a half American flag and half something else. And my husband, I didn't even notice the gun, but my husband did. He said it's an AR-15, but he doesn't know if it's loaded. It was just weird, really weird. And my husband's like, "You think we should call him?" I'm like, yeah, I think we should.
Okay. And it was a white male, black male?
Spanish, I think, maybe Spanish.
Okay.
He was darker, not like not white.
Okay.
But I would send
Anyone-
someone because he won't be long in there. He's walking with a backpack on, the flag. You can't miss him. You can't miss him. Shorts, jean shorts, like cargo shorts, and white sandals, like flip-flops, like slide-on. You just don't
And
know
you
what
were-
people's intentions are.
Right.
I hear the sirens. They're on their way. I hear them because I live up
Okay. And how long ago was it? You said you just got your boat
2
launched,
minutes.
but how long ago? 2
Yeah,
minutes?
2
Okay.
minutes. 2 minutes.
All right.
He's not right. He has a tank top on. I
Was
do
it tank
remember
top?
that.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay?
All right.
You don't know if it's real or fake. Who knows? But he did have a rifle with him. The cops are there. I hear them, babe. Okay.
Okay. All right. And can I get your name, ma'am?
Yes.
And what's your telephone number?
There was another boat, and everybody was like, what the heck is going on?
Okay. All right, ma'am. They're on the way. They'll be there.
All right, I hear the
They're
cops
there.
right now. Yep, I hear
Okay.
them.